Hello everyone, welcome to Midnight Scare, your one-stop channel for all the scary and weirdest things happening in your neighborhood. Let's begin. Number 15. A guy was caught on camera taking some boxes from this residence on December 12th, 2015. Number 14. A cunning raccoon scaled a column to get to Paula's porch bird feeder. Paul was astounded at how they managed to climb and reach the bird feeder, and he confirmed that no harm was done other than a mound of spilled seeds. Number 13. The scene is captured by a Ring doorbell, which had driven along a street before collapsing into a cottage. Number 12. Look at this jerk stealing this person's mailbox. Number 11. In this video, a guy stalked the uploader's girlfriend for 2 days in a row.
Hey, what's up, man? Actually, I was coming by because I saw your girl back there, so, you know what I mean?
My what?
Your girl? Is that your girl?
My girl?
Is that your girlfriend?
Who?
There's a girl back there? Is that your girlfriend?
There's nobody here.
There's nobody here?
No, just me.
Alright, take it easy.
What's going on?
I was gonna see if you wanted to hang out, so...
Number 10. Patrick had no idea bears like to hang around in his yard, but one day he checked his Ring doorbell alerts and discovered, to his surprise, that the stairs at the rear were a favorite hangout for bears and other animals. It's like a wildlife freeway. Number 9. On November 4th, 2015, a video was captured showing a porch pirate snatching various parcels from this house in the middle of the night. Number 8. Snakes aren't frequent in Gary's neighborhood, so he was surprised to find this enormous snake moving across the top of his wall. Number 7. A doorbell camera filmed a gunfight and ensuing wreck on a Milwaukee street. Number 6. This biker thief was caught on doorbell cameras stealing from the homeowner's property. Number 5. Please assist if you see this man in Central Point. Please notify the authorities as he has many warrants for his arrest, ranging from breaking and entering to domestic violence. According to the person who shared the video, I'm afraid to be in my own house. Please assist. Number 4. This man was at home when his Ring spotlight camera sent him a motion alert, so he checked his live feed and observed 2 intruders tampering with his front door. He knew what to do because he'd been in a similar position previously. He turned on the Ring cam siren and saw the 2 men flee. Number 3. This man was caught on video taking delivery from this property only seconds after it had been delivered. Number 2. Sharon arrived at home and was taken to the living room by her husky Lexi. Sharon examined her Ring and discovered what Lexi was howling over. On their porch railing, a bear was doing a balancing performance.
Currently being recorded.
Stay tuned for our surprising number 1 pick. Number 1. This suspicious-looking man was seen on camera searching the premises for a key. Thanks for watching, and make sure you subscribe to our channel and smash the bell icon so you get notified whenever we post new content. Until then, stay vigilant.